I'm Peter Evans, and I'm one of the directors at Olsen & Evans. I would say about 80% of our work is done locally. We predominantly did external works. What CCG has done for us, more than anything, is training and apprentices. It has provided a lot of benefits to the area. The certainty of having the contracts, it allowed us to sit back and decide that we could give this amount of training, bring these amount of apprentices through, and in some years we're doing 600 to 700 properties. What it's given us is the confidence to push forward and go for contracts that we may not have gone for in the past. The spend that CCG has made with us, I would say, has increased the spend by 400% to what they would have spent outside. For the local economy, it made a hell of a difference. We were employing over 100 people at one stage during the contract. Directly employed people who worked for us previously have now started their own businesses and they're subcontracting themselves. The skill base that it's increased within the area is quite phenomenal.
Robert Williams dyn nhw i, a dwi'n gweithio i wedi. Y swyddi ar hyn o bryd ydy technegydd iau. I gychwyn i ddath criw o CCG i roi cyflwyniad i ni ar y cyfle. Nes i benderfynu ar y pryd bod profiad ar yr adeg yn be o'n i angen i helpu efo gwaith coleg. Felly nes i drio yn y proses a fes i'n llwyddiannus yna. Drwy'n wneud y profiad efo CCG ges i gyfle i ddod yma yn lle dwi'n gweithio wan i wedi am 3 diwrnod fel profiad efo gwaith dylunio. Ar ôl hynny, nes i benderfynu trio am waith a nathon nhw gynnig gwaith i mi. Felly nes i reit lwcus mewn ffordd i gael gwaith rhan amser ar y pryd, ond eto cario ymlaen efo astudio'n coleg. A wan, blwyddyn wedyn, dwi mewn gwaith llawn amser a dal yn coleg i astudio peirianneg sifil. Dwi'n reit lwcus bod y gwaith dwi wedi gael yn fama yn lleol. Yn bendant, swn i wedi gorfod trefnu o'n bellach i gael gwaith